We're so making a video now.
Are you serious?
Uh-huh.
Interpretive dance in the snow.
With my scarf dance.
Sounds like a religious thing.
So, what's the date? Oh, December 11th,
Come on.
2008.
Right here, we can't be right here. Come over here.
December 11th, 2008, and we've got more than an inch of snow in Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Which never ever happens.
Which never ever happens. Yes. Crap on a stick. That's not nice. Especially when I'm... Sorry, the camera's kind of moving. Sorry, folks. And that would be the art of snowball fight. I don't know what I'm saying anymore.
Oh, funny.
You look like you're about to play leapfrog or something.
Me?
Yeah, because you bent down and you just like, all of a sudden. My finger keeps getting in the way.
You're still making a video?
Yeah.
Oh.
I like making long videos because they're, oh, crap on a stick.
No! Get away! It was yellow! Ew!
That's what it hurt. I love how she crawls away. My feet are getting stuck.
Here, go!
She picked her up.
My face hurts. Let's go on an adventure.
We can make videos up to 10 minutes long if we want to put them on Photo Bucket. YouTube. Yeah.
We gotta go on
I mean,
adventure now.
that was cute.
We can actually put them
My
on all
knees are
of
numb
them.
too.
Yay, numb knees.
It's like numbnuts on
No.
Oh, the glove fell off.
Oh wait, I don't like turning it that way. And we're walking on an adventure. Okay,
This is my bucket of snow.
bucket of snow.
Ow, it's hurting my fingers.
Let's see the lovely bucket of snow. She just ate her bucket of snow.
Get you guys this bucket.
Are we gonna cut this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, we have to go.
Get off the phone, Reagan.
It's my mother.
Oh, okay.
Why is she talking to me so much?
Yeah, and she wasn't before.
I don't know. She doesn't like me.
Okay, let's go. I'm about to get the driveway.
She's on her way to you.
Why? You're not leaving, are you?
Yeah.
What?
Right now? Why?
No, why are you leaving? Lovely snow. It's like Winter Wonderland.
It like literally.
But
Why is she coming to me?
in Louisiana. Holy
I like your sound effect.
That was
Tried that at the little LSU thing and it didn't work.
what? What happened?
I'm gonna put an R. Why?
No.
For Reagan and Rainey. What the hell is that?
How is that an R? That is ridiculous.
I'm making it a R. Are you ready for this, people?
Hey, we're RRC. Or CRR or RCR. Do it. What are you doing?
Like to like jump and be like beginning.
Yes. Lovely R. But it's so pretty. Don't mess it up until I take a picture. Okay. Let's
okay.
cut this so we can take a picture.
Like I did an R.
And you so need to just make it a B now. Yay, a B. Okay. Goodbye.